You're welcome.
There's a lot of stuff in there.
Hey, can you zip it up? Zip it up. Yeah, I see it.
And they have like baby toys, baby food, baby stuff that you put to food. They're really generous.
Yeah. We're on our way to L&B. It is the middle of August. A big storm came through earlier this afternoon. So right now we have sauna conditions. It's so steamy.
Yeah, we do.
So bad.
So bad. Really
There's a lot of debris in the bike lane. Trying to manage that. I wanted to make this a GoPro ride because the last time we went to L&B, the footage was compromised.
The video camera, it was backwards.
Well, it wasn't the upside down thing that was a big deal. It was that I sped up half of the footage coming back when we captured, I think, close to 40 deer sightings. That totally was a bummer.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping to be able to catch some more deer today.
Or more.
But so stinking steamy. I wouldn't blame the deer for not coming out tonight.
That was where there was a stick in my tire and I was going.
So it's been about 5 days since Maylin and I tested positive for COVID.
And yet we still have it. And Mommy still has it.
So we're doing some activities to avoid the general public
And
by going to the back area of our neighborhood.
And hopefully there won't be a lot of people at LMB, which there probably won't because it's so humid. But yet a kind of beautiful day.
So we will see you all at LMB. Yeah, so back to our COVID symptoms. Maylin had it bad for maybe 2 days. She had a bad fever one night. It's pretty scary. She was up to 104.
I was burning up. My bottom was so hot. He was so cold, so at least he was there to cool me down.
And then I'm still getting over our sore throat.
And I also had a sore throat, but I didn't have it for that long. And it wasn't that bad. That's
And Amanda had it. Amanda had it first. She had it a couple of days before we tested positive. But she's pretty much over it. Oh, there's one deer. If y'all saw it in my feed, that's number one.
Is it male or female? I don't see
No idea.
I do not see. All I see is your back.
You love my back.
What?
You love my back.
No, I don't. Where is it?
It went that way.
Oh, I didn't
So you'll
see
see it on the footage if we wind up using that footage. Hopefully that deer was not the last one we will see today. However, if it is, one is better than none.
Yeah, it is. That's the good spirit. Yeah, we do need to get way more bird food.
Okay, that's kind of random.
What?
That's kind of random.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, we're talking about deer. Oh yeah, we need some bird food.
Since we're kind of talking about animals.
All right, I guess it's not closed because it's not totally sectioned off.
Yeah, I mean, people can still get through here because there's a little line.
Ooh. All right. They've got trees marked. are tagged so that they can cut it down, it looks like.
Yeah. How come I just can't fix it?
Fix what?
And just kind of just put new cement on it. And then just
Well, they gotta dig up all the old road first.
Oh, man.
And these trees, their roots are probably getting in the way of stuff underground. So they want to get rid of them. Whoa, it's become way overgrown back here.
Yeah, it
It's been a while. It's been a minute since we've been back here, huh?
is. Way more than a minute.
Like 2 minutes.
300,000.
Whoa, look how tall the grass is.
They really need to mow this place.
Yeah, you should have brought your lawnmower.
What?
Your toy lawnmower.
We can't even.
Oh, it's so steamy here.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
wow.
Wow.
Dude.
Eesh. Oh, and here it's even hotter.
Wow,
It's
if you
like
guys
a hot
could,
bubble.
if you could, there was a humidity level on this GoPro.
You could
You
cut.
guys could
I mean, you could bake cookies here.
feel like my pores are screaming. So we've made it. We will talk to y'all on our way back. Get moving.
So we are going back home. That was a great time. We got to feed the fishies too. Right? That was really fun.
Yeah, we got to feed a lot of the fishies. From tadpoles to teenage fish.
Yeah, we saw that. And we also saw a few turtles.
That's right. All right, so hopefully we will get to see some deer on our ride back.
Oh, I see one.
Oh yeah, there's one.
Two.
There's two there?
Two there. One there, and then right by the tree.
Okay, so there's one over there by the tree.
One over here.
Where's the other one? Oh yeah, there too. I see it.
Back here.
Okay.
Try to get the viewers to see it. And then there's one right there. Both female.
Okay, so there's one over there. And there's one by the tree over there. Right beyond that red birdhouse. Alright, so that's deer count number 3. Three. Oh, here's 4, 5, 6.
I don't see it. Oh yeah.
Oh, this one has antlers.
Oh, there's male.
So you guys, so there's
They're probably
one
like,
right
what's
there,
going on? What's
2,
going on?
and then there's 3
Oh,
over
no,
there.
no, no.
Alright, so we're,
That's better. You can go now.
oh, there's another one hiding in the bush.
Oh, yeah.
So that's 7.
Oh. It's okay. You can go now. You can go.
One right in there, it's moving. Head's cut off by the bush right there. There you go.
Guys, you can go now. We did what we need to do. That's it.
7 of them.
You can go now. Finish what you're doing.
Oh,
Sorry to disturb
There's number 8. Was that the other one that? I think it's the other one that.
Sorry, guys.
We're still at 7. 7.
Sorry, guys. Sorry we disturbed you.
Yeah. Sorry for disrupting your dinner.
If it was dinner or a hunting part,
They might have been chillaxing.
or they might have been hunting
Yeah. For what?
food.
Your goldfish and pretzels?
Yeah, if I were them, I would eat the pretzels. They're still probably floating around.
Ah, 7 is not bad. It's not 40, but
Yeah, not even close.
I had to go ruin that footage.
Ugh.
Blah. What happened over here? Oh, spray paint.
What? Ooh. Look at that tiny bench. Bench right there.
Yeah.
Ooh, so small.
Oh,
Whoa.
8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah.
There you
8,
go.
9, 10, 11.
See, far in the distance, there's 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, there's one behind the tree.
And there's a bunch of bird feeders here. They probably never run. They probably always run out of bird food.
All right, so that's 4 more, so that's 11.
Oh yeah,
All right,
and
we're in double digits. That's pretty good.
woohoo! Wait, how many you got?
11.
Oh,
Double digits.
double digits.
How you say?
Double digits.
Oui.
We double digits.
Whoa, limb.
Whoa.
Okay. Well, I think we will end our video there, folks. Thank you for joining us on our adventure today. We will see you on the next one.